On this episode, I'll be heading up to Las Vegas for a couple nights. But before we get into that, I want to revisit a project I discussed a couple episodes ago to add a little bit more clarification on how it works. On this episode, I'll be taking a trip up to Las Vegas and I'll be taking my 911. Before I head out, I want to wash my M5. It's been more than a month since I washed it and it's been through rain. It picked up a lot of dust when the Santa Ana winds came by, so it's really dirty. I also want to show you a little bit of the wheel covers I designed so you can get a better understanding of how it works. On episode 59, I discussed about how I created this new tool to help me in detailing my car. On that episode, I talked about how I used some recycled material from previous projects and created a tool that would help me save some time when I'm detailing my cars. The reason I developed this is because I wash my car in steps, and the very first step is washing the wheels. You can clearly see the issue here, and that's the rusting of the rotors, which is typical when they get wet. To get things started, I rinse my wheels off and then spray a coat of wheel cleaner from Meguiar's, which is basically an iron remover. Then I use a very soft detail brush to spread the solution throughout the rims so I can get it clean. Driving my car around is a very important step in this process because it takes care of two things. One is it gets all the water out of my wheels, and number two is when I'm using my brakes, it also clears the rotors from all the rust. With my wheels clean and my rotors free from rust, now I can move on to washing the rest of my car and not worry about my wheels getting wet and rusting again, because once I wash the outside of the car and take it for a drive, all that rust that gets all over the car, all the water from the rims get on the car, and I have to wipe down the car again, so it really takes a lot of time. Now that my wheels are clean, I can cover them up and wash the rest of my car. Now that I'm done washing my car, let's go ahead and put my design to the test. The wheels stay clean, the rotors are free from rust dust, and now I can move on to just drying my car and not having to worry about all that water and rust getting all over my car on the next drive. This new tool I designed saved me about 20 minutes in detailing my car, so it's really worth it for me. Let's check out the sights on the way to Sin City. Drive was about 3.5 hours. We're gonna stop by before we check into the hotel and have some brunch. We just finished breakfast. Now we're gonna stop by the brew tea bar, get some boba. On the next vlog, I'll be continuing with more activities here in Vegas, as well as an event that I'll be attending at the Wynn Hotel. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you on the next one.